guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing weight loss, vegetable, oats, khichadi. Let's quickly go and see this super easy and super quick recipe. First we have 30 grams of Quaker oats. Then I have 1 cup chopped onion, capsicum and carrot, grated carrot. So that's about a finger size of each. Some chopped coriander, cinnamon powder and black pepper powder, a pinch of it, desi ghee and 1 cup water. First we're going to add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. To that I'm going to add my chopped vegetables. You can also add green chili if you want. Now I'm going to cook the vegetables on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next I'm going to add is half a teaspoon of salt. Next, going into it is a pinch of cinnamon and black pepper. Once the onions turn slightly golden, I'm going to add my 30 grams oats and half a cup of water. Now we are going to cook our oats on slow to medium flame with a lid for the next 5 minutes. And here you see our oats khichdi is looking just fantastic. And our weight loss oats vegetable khichdi is ready. Now I'm going to add like a half teaspoon of ghee on top. And garnish it with some coriander. It's super easy, cooks in less than 10 minutes. Oats are loaded with soluble fiber that's called as beta-glucan. It also helps to support excellent gut health. Oats also gives you a great amount of satiety. That means you will feel a lot more fuller and would end up eating lesser calories throughout the whole day. So this makes for a perfect post-workout meal. Also with this, I have a vegetable raita. You can go below the link and check the recipe for the same. This makes a complete meal. That is your weight loss vegetable oats khichdi and your cucumber raita. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all the amazing recipes we keep doing. Also, please log on to www.bodyprocoach.com. Go and check out the Base 90 Days Transformation Program and change your life today. Thank you.